still on it, FR12, but I see this cairn to the side of the road. It's either a campsite or a trail. I'm hoping it's a trail, because I sure would like to get on that other side. In the previous video, I saw a cairn on the side of the Forest Road 12, so I thought I'd explore that. I'm not sure if it was a trail, but I ended up here above the road. That's the direction from which I had come. And I had seen a trail that looked like it was worn through the rock. I'm here. Now if somebody could just tell me where here is, I would appreciate it. That's Forest Road 12 in the distance. I hiked up from there to here because I saw that blonde rock trail. I'm on the other side of that rock formation. I don't know if that's Gonzales rock in the distance, but I could see Forest Road 12 heading up in that direction. There's a trail that goes down. Maybe I can take that and connect it with the Forest Road 12. I've just come from there. I have a suspicion that it's the same way that I came up. I seem to recall this area here. Maybe not, but it's leading me in the direction I wish to go. And it's always good to have a trail to follow. If the trail's leading me this way, I should be turning to the right pretty soon, because I think the road is up that way. There's a cairn. Yeah, this is from where I came. Would you look at that? That's the cairn.